Welcome to Sunway Lagoon, Malaysia's most thrilling theme park. Located in Petaling Jaya, just a short drive from Kuala Lumpur, this massive 88 acres wonderland is packed with adventure, excitement, and fun for everyone. Ticket prices for non-Malaysians are 250 ringgit for adults and 200 ringgit for children below 12 years. With over 90 attractions across 6 zones, there's something for thrill seekers, families, and even wildlife lovers. So let's dive right in. First up, let's make a splash at the water park. This is the perfect place to cool off and experience some of the most exciting water rides in Asia. Before entering the water park, you can get a locker to keep your things safely and keep your hands free. Small locker will be 25 Malaysian ringgit and large lockers will be 50 Malaysian ringgit. Don't forget to bring your waterproof phone case because phone cases in the park is a little bit expensive. If you love water slides, you're in for a treat. Sunway Lagoon has tons of high-speed slides, each offering a different kind of thrill. Try the African Pythons, a twisting and turning water slide that takes you through dark tunnels before shooting you into a splash pool. If you were here with kids, don't miss Little Zimbabwe, a fun and colorful water playground filled with mini slides, splash pools, and a massive tipping water bucket. And look out for the giant water buckets. Every few minutes, it tips over, sending a huge splash over everyone below. The Vuvuzela, the world's largest water funnel ride, is here. You'll swirl down from a height of lemon stories, spinning wildly before plunging into a massive splash. For adrenaline junkies, the extreme park is where the real action happens. Here, you can challenge yourself with a bungee jump, go full speed on a go-kart race, or test your aim with some archery. We went to the last lagoon. Packed with thrilling rides, hidden caves, giant waterfalls, and exciting water adventures, the Lost Lagoon promises an unforgettable experience for all ages. So, let's dive right in. Our adventure begins at the Primal Zone, home to some of the wildest water rides in the park. Where you drop near vertically before shooting back up at high speed. It's fast, intense, and perfect for adrenaline junkies. Next, take on the Jungle Ferry, a high-speed raft ride that sends you twisting and turning through tunnels before splashing into the water. And for those who love racing slides, the boa constrictor is a must-try. This giant tube slide has sharp turns and unexpected drops that will leave you screaming all the way down. If you love waves, head to Surf Beach, one of the biggest man-made wave pools in the world. Whether you want to surf, swim, or just relax on the sandy shore, this place feels just like a tropical paradise. Waves and the DJ music will start at 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. every day. So don't miss this pool party because it's the most attractive event in this place. Sunway Lagoon isn't just about rides, it's also home to over 150 species of animals at the wildlife park. Here you can see majestic white lions, gentle giraffes, and even get up close with colorful parrots and reptiles. One of the best parts of this park is the petting zoo, where you can interact with adorable rabbits, tortoises, and even baby goats. Now, if you love horror, get ready for the Scream Park, one of the scariest attractions in Sunway Lagoon. Since cameras are not allowed in the Scream Park, we couldn't get video footages for you. As the sun sets, Sunway Lagoon transforms into a magical wonderland with glowing lights, live performances, and a live atmosphere. Next, let's explore the Amusement Park. This is where you'll find classic carnival rides, thrilling roller coasters, and attractions perfect for all ages. One of the biggest highlights is the Lost City of Gold Scream Coaster, a fast-paced roller coaster that takes you on an ancient treasure hunt filled with unexpected twists and turns. If you love heights, try the Pirate's Revenge, a giant pirate ship that swings 360 degrees, turning you completely upside down. And for something a little more relaxing, take a ride on the carousel or the Fun World Ferris wheel, where you'll get a fantastic view of the entire park. Whether you're here for the rides, the water park, the wildlife, or just a fun day out, Sunway Lagoon offers something for everyone. So if you're ever in Malaysia, make sure to put this incredible theme park on your must-visit list.
Hi my dear friends, this is the end of our marvelous day at Sunway Lagoon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's meet you with another video on our 5th day in Malaysia. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye!
Bye bye!